definitely not embracing getting older. This year I turn 30. I just can't wait. As you can see. Oh, I'm gonna cry. To all young people, I hate you. Subscribe to my channel. There's more of this there. Or, yeah, there's more of this. There's absolutely more of this. Hi guys, it's Peitee. I have an everyday makeup tutorial for you, inspired by... I have 20 minutes to get ready. I don't know how to start this except of here's an everyday makeup look. Enjoy. Let's start with some skincare. I feel like everyday makeup tutorial is the one where I should include some skincare. I'm gonna put some Neutrogena Hydra Boost Water Gel on. And yes, these are my everyday nails. Everyday nails, for me, are chipped. And of course I need some lip balm. Burt's Beige, the best lip balm, even though it's made with bees. Wax. I got you there, I got you there. You thought it's made with bees. I did also. I have forgotten how to do a tutorial. So I'm starting with the medium coverage foundation. I'm gonna mix in some hydrating primer. And I'm just using a brush to blend it into the skin. Well, after I have it more or less laid on the face, I'm gonna take a sponge and just sponge out the lines and also add some more in places that need it. So everywhere. I'm gonna use this to cancel out these dark shadows. You wanna concentrate it only in the places where there is darkness. This cancelled out the purple. Still need to conceal, but I'm gonna do it after the eyeshadow. Excuse my palette, it's really dirty, but I'm using this shadow mixed with this shadow. So basically I'm gonna take a brush, the brush that I'm using for this, which is why it's dirty, and just go a couple times and then swirl them together and just add to the eyelid. And I'm using a very fluffy brush because it's going to be very easy to do what I'm about to do, which is smoke it out to the oblivion up to the eyebrow. So I'm not putting a lot into the inner corner, but I started at the base of the lashes. You can lift it up if you really want to get into it and just smoke it up to the top. I'm gonna add this shadow underneath as well and go all the way up here and kind of use whatever's left on the brush to smoke it out here. I think my camera cut off the conceal part. I'm just putting concealer under my eyes. This is an everyday look, so you don't want to take more than 20 minutes in the morning unless you got this time, but I don't. And I'm gonna curl my lashes and add mascara. Lashes, lashes, lashes. Ooh. Part of a good everyday look is good mascara and the way you apply it. So you need to take your time, coat every single lash, not stick it in your eye, and just, you know, try to do it well, because it is honestly like 40% of the look, if the look is so natural. I'm not a fan of like a really thick mascara that's glooping together. This eye is always better than the other one with mascara. I need to do an eyelash lift again because this one is always droopy in comparison to this one. Another thing is the eyebrows. It all depends, I think, on your hair. My hair is medium, I would say. It's not too dark, but it's not too light of a brown. It's still brown, but or brunette or whatever. But you don't want the eyebrows to be too dark and overpower the look, same as you don't want it to be too light to the point where they look undone. So I love those kind of pencils because just a couple of strokes and it just completely transforms. See how much better it looks already, even though it's not yet done. I'm gelid because why not? Don't look at my gel, I use it every day, so it's been stained by the pencil, so that's why it's got like a grayish color. Now I'm going to powder the face with my very dirty powder brush. I use this every day, that's why it looks like this. For blush, I'm gonna use my favorite. This is Maybelline Cream Matte Blush in something. I'll put it on the screen. Anyways, it's Burgundy Flesh. It's very pretty, and I just take it with a sponge like this and put it on the cheeks. I feel like with the lip that I'm doing for every day, this blush looks very pretty. And with that sponge, you can just make it so natural. And the last thing that I think can elevate your everyday makeup look a lot is lipstick and what lip color you choose. If you're choosing a nude, I always recommend to just choose a gloss that's going to be complementary and just a tad lighter than your lip liner. I have this combo and I love this. This is my favorite lip combo. As you can see, the lip gloss and the lip liner are almost the same. As you can see, it's almost the same shade, and as the day goes on, it wears out and fades away, and it just makes it like a ombre effect in the middle of the lip, and I find it very pretty. Lastly, I'm going to do some contouring, and this is the Kim K palette. So for every day, I'm just doing very simple cheek, some forehead, just on the temple. Not trying to do glam for every day, not this kind of person, but I do the double chin, and whatever's left on the brush just goes to do the nose. So I hope you guys enjoyed my everyday makeup look. If you would like to see more makeup or also some vlogs, please check out my channel. I just started dabbling into the vlogging world, so I hope you will like it. Also hit the thumbs up and the notification bell to know when I post a new video. Till next time.